but you can get a bottle of water and put the electrolytes in it. So this is what we're having. This is the shot to get rid of inflammation. Yesterday I just got my report, my food allergy report. So I gotta remove black pepper from my diet. I gotta remove lettuce, tomatoes from my diet, and a couple other stuff. We jump into this chart breakdown. Don't do this unless you want results. The thing about this now, this pair really started to like US30. Look how it moved. It moved from here to here. We're sitting and consolidating here, but all the market most likely will go up here. I'm not seeing any pullbacks. You know, this is the level that we're actually sitting on right now. So I'm not seeing any potential of any pullbacks. You know, so once we continue to maintain this, we should be good. Thank you so much. So my 2 bottles of electrolytes for the workout. It's good for your stomach. The thing is, it makes you digest your food better. So when you digest the food better, it's like your body absorbs more nutrients. And when your body absorbs more nutrients, you're overall more healthy. All right, so this is what's happening on US30. I really started to like this pair, especially with the platform that I'm trading on. The spreads, everything is just, the commissions is so amazing, you know? So yesterday we made a high of, to the different day, about 449, 407. So we're looking to actually break above that high. We have this minor zone here that is, you know, we're looking to tap. And then we have this major zone that we're looking to tap into, which is this, all right? So these are the next set of levels that I'm actually looking at. Currently we're right here. I'm not gonna place no more trades. I'm just gonna chill and wait for it to continue going up. All right, so GG has been a little bit of back and forth. It's been a little bit of back and forth. So the other day I caught the move going up. Caught a piece of the move going up, took profit at the top, but the market went up, but the market started pulled back down into this zone here. This has no more significance, so that's removed. And then we have this level here that we're looking to finalize in terms of tapping. But before it goes up there, I don't know, GJ likes a fight, so he'd like to fight before it goes. Last night in London session, so this was about 7 p.m., 8 p.m. Last night, market started to pull out of this consolidation area from 8 to 2 p.m., 5:30 p.m., 6:50 p.m. So 6:50 p.m. market started to pull out of it, and then it just started to rise. Now it's 6 a.m. If you want to take small moves, like minor moves on this, okay, go ahead. You know, so this is a nice little area that we're doing something at. That's a nice little area we're doing something at. So then push up to this area right here, all right? That's what we're looking to. I realized that the US30 and GJ normally moves very similar. It moves the same. Gold was here, was consolidating, did exactly what I told it to do. And now we're looking to go to this final take profit, which is 4.5. So that's what I'm actually looking for. I'm gonna actually post all of these analysis inside the Discord now. Discord is about to have a public offering very soon. So you guys can actually look out for that. So I posted all trades. Need to send my fitness results to here too. Oh man, them I send them results. This is what the Winner Circle community is about. You guys join free. You guys get news events. You guys are just sent to analysis here. You guys start to see. So different opportunities start to make money inside the Winner Circle. And then if you want to learn how to calculate the lot sizes, it's all here too. So you can calculate proper risk management. You know, you have different course chats, all of that. So this is what we're about, dieting. I share my diet with you guys and stuff like that. Okay guys, the next key thing I want you guys to do, when you're in the Discord, be sure to invite others to join the Discord group. You guys can earn benefits, points, all that every single week. So all you need to do is just go through this channel, invite to earn, and then in addition to that, because we do like weekly giveaways and stuff like that, you know, monthly giveaways. In this chat, you say good morning, or good rising, grand rising, whichever you guys feel better saying. I just put that there. Welcome, make sure you watch the welcome channel and interact some type of way. And then make sure you fill the forms, because once you fill the form, that's how you're gonna get access to all of the groups. Just fill out the form, it's completely free, it's no charge, you're not getting charged. All right, so a lot of beginners are out there, you know, a lot of experienced traders are out there too. But one of the key questions is, what must you do before every trade? I want to know if you guys have the same rule set up, the same thought process set up in terms of when you're trading. There's so much information out there. There's so many good habits, so many bad habits. So the question that I've been asked multiple times is, what must you do before every trade? You know, that's a very important question. I want to basically put together like a mental checklist or share this mental checklist with you guys that have had in my head for years. And I could write down my trading plan, my overall process in my hand middle. That's how simple it is. You don't want your trading plan or you don't want your trading process to be so difficult, so all over the place where you have to try to remember things. So this is what I'm able to do this out of my head. Now, a lot of people just get up and try to enter a trade just because they see the market move. This is the reason why a lot of people are failing. This is the reason why a lot of people are losing money. You need to have a predefined plan, a preset plan, in terms of the risk management. How much are you going to risk per day or overall of your account? Is it 1%? Is it 5%? You're going to risk per trade. How many trades are you going to take per day? And then even this amount of trades you're going to take per day is going to be based on your risk management too. Because, for example, you have a 5% risk. Is it that you're going to take 2 trades per day? Is it that you're going to split it 2.5% per trade, which is total 5%? Or is it that you're going to take 5 trades per day and 1% per trade? So you have to know your risk management. And a part of knowing your risk management is how many times you need to trade per day. Me personally, I don't try to trade more than once. I try to find a premium setup and I just enter it and I hold it until the end of the day, or hold it until it hits my take profit or reaches a point where I'm ready to close out of that trade. The next thing for me is, just understanding what time of day I should be trading. So sometimes the market moves in Asia session, sometimes it moves in London session. So these are like your work hours. Sometimes it moves in Asia, sometimes it moves in London or New York. So these are like your work hours. Why did I say like? These are your work hours. So you want to be making sure that you're selecting a time that works for you and the pair that you're actually trading. Don't try to trade London on a pair that only moves in Asia session. You're gonna fail, you're gonna mess up. So try to trade pairs that move in the session that works best for you. So example, I go to my bed in the night, so therefore Asia does not work for me completely because I believe that my nights should be peaceful, no trading, no nothing, no fast pace, nothing. It's more of me just having a calm down and preparing for the next day. So that's how I treat my nights. So I go to my bed at about 9 p.m. and then I wake up 4 a.m. and I start looking at the charts. I start deciding, okay, what is going to happen in the market today? And I start positioning myself to take advantage of that. If a move has already gone, for example, the GJ move that went from 7 p.m. last night, okay, cool, whatever, I don't care. More opportunities are there for it to move. It did a pullback actually, totally push. And a lot of the times, the trades that move in those Asia sessions always pull back. More than likely it's just a break. It always pull back and you catch the pullback to continue upwards. But I'm not rushing no trade. Don't chase no trade. So just sticking on the point, I set predefined rules. So the risk management, the amount of trades that I need to take. A very big rule is the quality of the trades. So the quality of trades depends on how do I place the zone? How do I see the break of structure, if there's any break of structure? How clear is the market? Is the market consolidating? Is it a good time of day right now that I'm actually looking at the market? Is the market having certain type of rejection, like wick rejections? What direction is the market rejecting mostly in? What is the main direction that it looks like it wants to go in, right? I'm writing down all of these points, or I'm just thinking about all of these points while I'm analyzing the market. In addition to that now, once I do all of these, I go on the chart and I start, okay, cool. Identify the direction of the market first. Identify the main zone that I'm looking at. So I'm trading like big ranges. The thing about the market is the higher the time frame, the more difficult the zones are to break. So if I set the zones at the higher time frames, major zones, and I'm able to go down and start trading from example one major zone to the next, I can't lose. So I'm not expecting the zones on the higher time frame to break. I'm expecting the zones on the lower time frame to break and basically just trade that, because it's like a magnet. You go from low to high, high to low, or high, break, then you go to a lower low. So this is how the market moves on a day-to-day basis. So you want to make sure you're taking quality setups. In addition to that, after you trade, don't trade and make money or trade and lose money and then you just give up right away or you're done. No, you need to go back over your trades and find, okay, why did I make money? Why did I lose money? What is the lesson that I need to learn? You can learn from the good, you can learn from the bad, right? And the bad is just painful. learning from the bad. But once you actually learn from the bad, you're able to do better. You're able to win more in the future. So you just gotta put the work in and make sure you have a proper plan in the and middle. Let me show you how it is in my and middle right now. So first things first, when you get up, you need to understand, okay, this is the amount of money in my account. This is where I'm at. I'm willing to risk X per day. And I'm willing to take X trades per day. If one doesn't work, okay, I have one more opportunity or two or whatever, based on the amount of risk. The next thing, okay, I'm looking at this specific direction. These are the specific zones that I'm looking at. And this is the position I'm looking to take on this market. These are the rejections. You know, this is the time of day. And then, okay, when you enter the trade or whatever, this is what I'm doing to review my trades at the end of the day so that I can make better decisions the next time and I can even win more the next time. So this is what trading is about. Trading is about having a consistent plan. You're just sticking by it. I really do hope that this video benefited you guys. Remember to join the winner circle. Follow at Pajama Millionaire on every platform. Do these before every trade, man, and you should be good. And be sure to ask me some more questions in the comments so I can actually just do videos on these different things. And I'm going to be updating you guys on so many things very, very soon. So as you guys can see, US30 trade still active. And I'm trading lighter lots because I'm building this account. So, you know, once this account is fully built, I'm trying to get this to over 10K because that's going to give me enough cushion to know that, okay, cool, run it up, let it rip. So even those different things are rules that I set for myself that I let it rip or I go more aggressive once the balance is at a certain point. But until it is at a certain point, I'm chilling. I'm just light risk management until it gets to that point. You're not gonna get the muscles up and running right now. You know, man, go and take them creatine. So I got the electrolytes and water. This is how good I am at this now. I don't eat before I work out also. So I got one more pack. But this pack is finishing also, so I gotta probably get like 5 packs because I drink them every day. So I'm gonna get some workout in now. Alright, so we're doing a now. Good day, good day. Good day, good day. But a 176. A good thing that.
Great, wish good.
Yo, so we're the abs first? Hey, serious, set timer for 6 minutes.
What's the ground?
Bomba. Have mercy on many men, many men. Together, everybody is better, man. Together, everybody better. So it's just good to see people like getting away from their conflicts, finding a way to talk about stuff. Most people don't know how to talk about stuff, so this is why people end up in jail. They don't know how to de-escalate situation or stuff like that. So one of the biggest things in, for example, dancehall was Vibes Cartel and Corey, and then it's the Cartel 50th year birthday. Once, like certain things that you understand, you don't need to explain. So the fact that the man them just squashing all of them beef and stuff like that, I know that, yo, together we can make some serious money together we can do some serious things. Crazy. Even if they don't work together anymore, it's a good look.
That's right.
Yeah, I'll get there. Bro, I don't know why I don't like that workout here. It's a bar?
Yeah, put it right
Your shoulder. Not good?
Don't alternate it. Single leg. And then one side.
All right, so I'm in this US30 buy, running nicely. Let's just see where it goes. Which I'm not looking for too much, just for it to go to fill back that top wick right there. That's all. And I've been in this trade from yesterday. I don't hold positions over the weekend for the fact that you don't know. You know, this looked like it's gonna hit everything. If it didn't hit or it wasn't close to hitting, I'd just close out. All right. God is the greatest. Big up on yourself. Yes, I. I don't feel like I did those good. I kind of like the ones inside better than the outside. The outside make me feel handicapped. Oh yeah, I needed to adjust my chair. Okay, let's dive. This feels better. Alright, so we're about to hit take profit on this trade, very small trade, but easy to see, right? Yo, a 5 you get enough. 5, a 4 big here. 5, this now. What else am I to do? Upstairs? It's the first $1,000 trade for the year. Just push back? Yeah. That's it?
Yeah. Up fast, down slow, come down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Wow. Oh, she gonna work with me? Alright.
Where are you? Let me get you that one.
So, workout done for today. You know, in some decent profit, same way. God is the greatest. About to go get some food, breakfast. Been up from in and out from 2, 3, 4, 5. Officially got up about 6. Well, I was actually checking my trades. Then decided, because I know I was going to do ab workout here today, ab and other stuff, I just said, you know what, let me just go to the workout facility and do that. Yeah, so that was actually a very, very good workout session. Let me go see, because I'm out of protein bars. CPJ has protein bars, so I'm just gonna see that right now. I'm out of protein bars. Inside, buy some protein bars. Good day, how are you doing? Happy New Year. CPJ. So this juices, the kombuchas. Hey, I can get some of the kombucha, the one with mostly like the ginger. Yeah, give me like a pack. You don't have none of the IQ bars. Health is everything to you. So you want to make sure that you're taking care of yourself. Buying some kombucha as probiotic. I can have goat cheese, so I'm gonna probably get some goat cheese. I'm doing a 360 day thing. So where I track every day, like my daily routine for 365 days. The ginger lemon, that's the better one, right? It's like a prebiotic. What's the sugar content in it? May I wonder? Yeah, you can tell them about, but is it natural sugar or added sugar? I'm gonna make a call right now. See, they have nothing with like less than 5 grams of sugar. They have nothing that I should have. Yeah, I don't want no sugar, no yeast. I can't buy nothing. I would want to buy, but I can't buy. Yeah. Take care. Alright, so they had way too much sugar for my liking. So I wasn't able to have. I'm gonna go by the bank really quick.